The wait for MI control center is no more. Here the MI control center without any system updates with support of any Android devices. I am using Redmi Note 5 Pro with MIUI 11 global stable. Still, the update is not rolled out for this device. Let's see how it works. This is the app called MI Control Center and is asking for the permissions required to run the app. Allow all the permissions. And this is the app interface that you can get with this one, and it has lot of customization options. Here you can adjust the swipe area of notification and controls, and also you can interchange the areas, and it has separate settings for notification center and control center, and it also have added features that need upgrade an app itself within 110 rupees for permanently accessible, like custom background and remove all ads like these features. In the color section you can change the background color and notification background color and active tile colors. And this is the notification shade with the more better colors. And one more added feature called edge trigger. It is used for triggering the notification shade or control center. Then this app support with any Android devices. The app link is given in the description below. Try it out, and if you like the video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.